Hello everyone! The tips I'm sharing come directly from technicians with a lot of experience working in this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to solve this issue. When a client brings in their stove showing E022, the first thing we notice is that this code usually indicates a communication problem between the temperature sensor and the control board. Technicians always explain that this doesn't mean the stove is broken. It's a safety system that stops cooking if something isn't reading correctly. One client told us the stove started heating and suddenly showed E022. I couldn't use any of the burners, which is a typical example of what comes into the shop. On the other hand, many clients find that loose or poorly connected temperature sensors can trigger this error. One client said, "I checked the connection on a sensor, adjusted it, and everything worked perfectly again." Technicians always check these connections first because sometimes a simple loose wire causes the board to receive incorrect data and display E022. Additionally, some clients mention that dirt, grease, or debris on the induction surface can cause this problem. One client said, "I cleaned the surface and the coil edges thoroughly, and the stove stopped showing the error." Here we explain that temperature sensors are very sensitive, and any residue interfering with the reading can activate the safety system and stop cooking. Meanwhile, we also find that faults in the control board or internal electronic modules can be responsible when the sensors are fine, but the stove still shows E022. One client told us, "Everything seemed fine with the sensors, but after replacing the control board, the error disappeared." Technicians explain that in these cases, professional intervention is required because the internal electronics need to be checked. Similarly, several clients have noticed that using incompatible or very thin cookware can temporarily trigger the error. One client said, "I was using a very thin aluminum pan, and E022 appeared. After switching to compatible cookware, everything returned to normal." Technicians always remind people that induction relies on proper heat transfer, and if the pan isn't suitable, the stove may interpret it as a fault. Finally, some clients discover that electrical issues or voltage spikes can also affect the stove. One client mentioned, "After a lightning storm, E022 appeared until we checked the line and installed a surge protector." Technicians explain that even if the stove itself is fine, irregular power can interfere with the sensors and control board, triggering the error.